Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marsha's Mush and Stuff. And today I am bringing to you a very simple DIY that's very kid friendly that you could definitely get the family involved with. So some of these you may have seen before, but this one is new. I just put this together yesterday. So, with some of my leftover stars that I had, I decided that I would make a garland or a banner swag, if you will. So, what I did with this leftover twine that I had actually taken that apart from a bucket, and I took the stars and doubled them up, making sure that they matched and making sure that they lined up as well. Sorry if I'm not in frame here. There we go. So I decided where I wanted it to hang, how much slack I wanted, and where I wanted the starting point to be. Probably the hardest part of it, if there was a hard part. And then I simply added glue to one of the stars on the inside, the non-shiny side, and put the twine in the middle, press the other one on top, sandwiched it like a cookie or a sandwich. And that dried really well and adhered very well as well. It did adhere. So there we go. One star down, a few more to go. So don't worry, I don't make you watch me do every single one, but guys, I don't do these before to see if they're going to work out. I just threw this one together, and you're seeing my mess of crafting in the background. But here's the other two stars that I'm using. I've decided the pattern that I'm going to go in. If there really is a pattern, I just wanted, different ones. Forgetting that I had cut one of the stars out, I was not able to double one of them up, but that's okay. You can't even tell once it's finished. So guys, so simple, just some glue, and to get the kids involved, you could substitute this for super glue, or I doubt that school glue would hold it, but yeah, with parental supervision, you could definitely get the kids involved in this one. And this would make any great addition to, any cookout you're having for the 4th of July, just to be decorative. So that you can decorate your table or outside, and just a few things. So actually, this is by my entryway now. So when you come in my front door, this is the first thing you're greeted with. This and a couple other DIYs that I made as well. So there I am again, just gluing them together, making sure that they match on both sides. I think I messed up on one. Yeah, there we go. That's the one. I glued down the dull side, and I was going to take it apart, but then I decided, no, it'd be a hot glue mess on the other side, so I left it. And no one's going to know but me and you. So there again, just gluing the stars, just putting some hot glue around the star. Again, making very sure this time that I'm using the correct side, because I want the shiny ones to start. Now here's a tip that I found is easy for me to get my glue stick to go into my glue gun more easily. Just kind of melt the tip of the hot glue stick and then it should slide right in and stick to the other one without pushing out a bunch of hot glue. But I think that, I don't know, it didn't want to work this time on camera. My glue gun, this is a cheap one. This is not anything enormous. See, yeah, glue dripping already. See, I don't even notice it. Thankfully, there was a box under it to catch it. So, anyway, now I notice, oh, there's glue all over my box. So, gotta be careful so that I don't accidentally glue anything to the box that I'm using. So, again, just applying the hot glue. Guys, sorry. I didn't think I recorded this as long as I did, because all you're doing is just alternating stars, and you just need to apply the glue to one star, put the twine in the middle, put the other star on top, and that's it. I mean, honestly, that is it. There's not much more to say on this one, guys. It's really sweet, simple DIY. So I had these left over, and I did not want them to go to waste. I'm not going to be using them on a wreath. And so I decided I'd make myself a little swag or banner, however you want to pronounce it. Okay, and pulling off the glue strings as I go, but making sure those are tight and secure. So there we go. Now I'm going to hold it up and show you the finished product. Now you do see that one slide around because it's not as heavy, because it's not doubled up. But there's the finished product. There it is. So that's on my mantle, and just wanted to show you guys. And guys, I definitely appreciate each and every one of you. I wanted to bring to you a DIY. I have more definitely coming on the way. And don't forget to ring that bell and give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It helps my channel to grow. And I appreciate each and every one of you who have helped me grow. And I do return the favor, just to let you know. So this is what it looks like when you walk into my entryway. There we go. No huge applause needed. There's my keys sitting on top as well. So I do grab those off to show you what it actually looks like, because this is where I normally hang my keys and the dog leash. But how pretty does this look to come home to? And you're like, yes, I am ready for the 4th of July. I just need to finish my wreath, and I will bring that to you in a video coming this week. So guys, that's it, and it looks so pretty with the other 2 DIYs I created, and I really love it. It just adds a special touch of patriotism. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope each and every one of you has a very blessed day. Thank you again so much for being part of the family. You guys have a great one. Bye. See you in the next one.